Hey YouTube, Christopher back with another video, and I thought today I would do what's in my EDC for 2022. So, let's begin. So let's start off with the keys. Here I have a key organizer. It holds about 6 keys. Plus a little pry tool. This is really nice. It's leather, so it's really nice and soft. It gets more soft as time go on. Got a keychain, key fob, car, and a clip. Always carry my AirPods Pro. These are amazing. Most of you probably have them. And I carry it in a leather case by Saddleback Leather. I don't know if I reviewed this yet on my channel or not, but if not, I'll have to do that soon. Along with that, my wallet. It's very simple. It's the card wallet, slim front pocket. It's by Redeem Creations. Awesome quality. Getting soft and clear, that shiny, as the patinas. Had it for about 2 years now, so it's coming in nice and dark. Along with that, iPhone 12 Pro Max, leather case by Saddleback Leather, and this here I added on so I can have better grip. And this is a fly grip. So stand up like that, so you can watch videos or have it like this. I like it better than the pop socket. So these are the items that I carry in my pocket every day when I leave the house. These two together, a left pocket, right pocket, and depending on what I have on, type of shorts or pants, I will either have this hooked onto the belt or in my pocket with this. And along with these items, I always have my water bottle, my Yeti. This is essential. Okay, so this is what I carry in my pocket. Now I'm going to show you what I carry in my backpack. Here, my backpack. I review this in my channel. This is the thin front pocket backpack by Saddleback Leather. And I think I showed what I carried last year during the pandemic. But a few things have updated and I've taken out some stuff. So I'll start with this right pocket here. Open this up. Here, just carry a pocket knife, Sharpie, a pen. You never know when you need to write something down, you know. And just a nature bar. And that's all for that pocket. And this, also these have side pockets here where you can put stuff in, but right now I don't have anything. So this other pocket here, carry some migraine medicine and a holster for my flashlight, and another pocket knife. This I usually always have on me all the time. And again, that's all for that one. And this one also has a second pocket behind it, so you can put something. Front pocket. I have a slot extender for the MacBook, since they took these off, so we need this now. Portable Mophie charger. Charges my phone, my iPad, and whatever else I would need to charge. Cable, USB-C to USB, Lightning. Then my hard drive. And this would be the Samsung 1 terabyte. It's the T7 SSD. It's really awesome, really fast too. And this is the case I got off of Amazon. Can't remember the name of the company right now, but I'll have everything linked down below for everything I showed. Okay. And that is it for the front pocket. And in this front pocket here, there is also another pocket. So here, you can fit it there. Okay. Let me show the main pocket, main compartment here. Just lift this, open this up. Let's see. Start here. Keep my planner. This is important. Keep your day organized. Write stuff down to make sure that everything that you need to do for that day is done. And the moleskin that I have on is by Saddleback Leather. Let's see what else. Cable organizer. And here just have a bunch of chargers that I need, extenders, so a portable charger in there, etc. So you can fit quite a few stuff in there. Yeah. That comes in handy quite often, actually. So, along with that, keep my MacBook Air. That's the 2022 one. That's 225 gig. So this is awesome. Been able to edit all of my videos that I have on the channel with this. Doesn't overheat, doesn't freeze, doesn't reset, doesn't shut off on me. It's been an awesome computer. Can't complain. And I have it in this iPad sleeve. Again, by Saddleback Leather. I review this on the channel. You guys can check out that video. You can kind of see how it's changed all the markings, so the phone's getting nice and soft and stuff. And with that, that's all I have in the bag. Pretty nice and deep. So yeah, so this is what I carry. Oh, and my iPad. I can't really show that. I recorded video on it. But again, yeah, this is everything that I carry in 2022. Let me know if you guys have any questions on anything, or if there's something that you'd like me to go into depth into review. I've been trying to get as good as I can in reviewing it. Alright? Well, thank you very much for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll be reviewing some more items soon. And hopefully see you guys on the next one. Alright? Have a great day. Peace.